Welcome to the Xara template channel. This is lesson number 11 for the Xara Web Designer 365 premium software. And in this lesson, we're going to be taking a look at a new feature, which is the ability to change the casing for your text within your website. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you want to do is go to the toolbar and select the text tool. And then within your workspace, let's go ahead and left click and drag and create a text area. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit CTRL Shift L to paste some filler text, and then I'm going to go ahead and change the size of that font. So let's go ahead and do that as well. Once you change the size of the font, let's go ahead and hit CTRL Shift F1, but before I hit that key, I want you to take note that I have all of that text selected. If you don't have all of your text selected, make sure you click within the text box and hit CTRL A to select all of that text, and then go ahead and hit CTRL Shift F1, and that will change that text to all capital letters. If we hit CTRL Shift F1 again, you'll see that it makes it lowercase. So anytime you select all of the text within the text area and hit CTRL Shift F1, it will switch back and forth between all capital letters versus all lowercase letters. Now another option that you have is that if you click before a letter within your text and hit CTRL W, you'll notice that it capitalizes the letter that follows after your cursor. So if we keep hitting CTRL W, you'll notice that the cursor moves forward and it makes each individual letter within your text area a capital letter. So those are some of the ways that you can change the casing for your text using the shortcut keys. Now another option that you have, if we hit CTRL A to select all of the text and right click on it, you'll have the option to change the casing for the text by selecting the option within the right click dialog menu. So let's go ahead and place our cursor over the change case to, and you'll be presented with three different options, and the first option is lowercase, the second option is uppercase, and the third option is sentence case. So if we chose lowercase, it would obviously make everything lowercase. So let's go ahead and choose that, and you'll notice that the text changes to lowercase. Now if we right click on that again and choose change case to and choose uppercase, it will make everything uppercase. And then lastly, if we choose change case to sentence case, it's going to capitalize the first letter in each sentence. In this case, you can see that the letter A is capitalized, and you can also see that the letter S is capitalized because in each of those cases a new sentence is started. Also, I'm sorry, I actually missed one there. The letter O is also capitalized, so anywhere that a new sentence occurs, you'll see a capital letter. So I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to embed, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos. Also, if you're not a part of our Patreon page, please make sure you join that, because any contributors who join our Patreon page will help us to make the Xara template channel a better channel, and it also will increase the frequency at which we release new content. And if you're a Patreon supporter, I'm going to also make exclusive content available to you, and you'll be able to see videos that YouTube viewers will not have access to.